Hello.
Hello.
Thanks for the
we
gifts.
ready?
You want to say thanks for the gifts?
Yes,
Okay.
Angela.
Don't make a story now. Just say
Well,
thank
I
you.
just wanted to tell you, you outdid yourself.
Oh, dilly-dally.
I love this.
That's nice, huh?
I love this, yes. And this, I absolutely
get off
love
these
this
shirts,
one
please?
because I love the holes in the shoulders.
Yeah.
Because after a certain age, shoulders are sexy.
They
I
are?
like, yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
I like it too. I might try it on.
Everything else is wrinkly. and this is really nice.
And after
Nice
a certain
tailored.
age, black pants are really good.
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much. And and we also
Yeah, you got the
did
cream.
The stress relief.
She
We,
likes the cream and the soap.
Yeah, we rubbed that all over us already.
And there's Pop. You like your shirts? You like your shirts?
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, we're moving them forward in the future. And next we got to work on his socks. Okay, we got to get.
Can't get the low one.
No, can't get to do the low ones.
I feel like that with no clothes. I'm serious.
Isn't that sexy like the shoulders?
What?
No socks. You never know. You got to give it a try. And there's these guys whining and had a good time. Had some good food.
Got that for you too?
Yeah.
And
Beautiful.
Yeah.
oh, I guess I can't flip it around.
Very nice.
Oh.
Okay,
Do you?
thanks.
Oh, okay. Bye. Miss you.